Here's Ready App Corporate Messenger, so where teamwork happens. Keep in touch with your colleagues and clients, organize your contact list, set reminders, and keep tracks and tasks. If you have any questions or encounter any issues, this is kind of new trending app, kind of really a copy of Telegram, maybe alternative to Telegram where Telegram is blocked or something. So you can then just open it up, and then you need to sign in. You need to have already invitation code from somewhere from your company. You can read some FAQs, how to install. So press open and then just use it. So it seems quite basic, but yeah, here you have it. And yeah, that's kind of what it is.